Microsoft poaches DeepMind talent. What it means for the AI war's fire. Imagine a high-stakes game where the brightest minds in AI are the ultimate prize, and companies are pulling out all the stops to win them over. That's the reality unfolding in the tech world right now, with Microsoft making bold plays to snatch top talent from rivals like Google. According to reports from reliable sources, Microsoft has lured away approximately 24 experts from Google DeepMind, which is part of Alphabet's AI research efforts. This isn't just a routine job switch, it's a sign of the intense rivalry heating up in the artificial intelligence field, where having the best team can mean the difference between leading innovation and falling behind. Let's dive into the details. One key figure in this exodus is Amar Subramanya, who spent 16 years at Google. He was a vice president of engineering, deeply involved in developing the Gemini AI assistant, a smart tool that helps with various tasks through conversational interactions. Subramanya recently shared on LinkedIn that is now a corporate vice president at Microsoft AI, where he's working on enhancing Copilot. For those new to this, Copilot is like a helpful digital sidekick that understands everyday language and assists with things like writing emails or analyzing data, all powered by AI. It's integrated with tools like the Bing search engine, making web searches more intuitive and efficient. His move isn't isolated, it's part of a pattern. And this is the part most people miss. Several other high-profile individuals have already made the jump. Take Adam Sadovsky, for instance. He dedicated almost 18 years to Google, rising to the role of senior director and distinguished engineer at DeepMind before becoming a corporate vice president at Microsoft AI just last month. Then there's Jonas Rothfuss, who was a research scientist at DeepMind, and Sonal Gupta, formerly an engineering lead there. Both have transitioned to Microsoft as technical staff members in recent months. These shifts highlight how experienced professionals are being targeted for their specialized knowledge in areas like machine learning and AI development. But here's where it gets controversial. This talent poaching is happening amid a broader frenzy for AI experts, where companies are throwing massive resources at recruitment. For example, Meta has been aggressively expanding its AI capabilities by investing a whopping $14.3 billion in Scale AI, a startup focused on preparing data for AI training. As part of that deal, Scale AI's young founder and CEO, Alexander Wang, who's only 28, joined Meta along with several of his top team members. Meta's not stopping there. They've even brought on board Nat Friedman, the former CEO of GitHub, to bolster their lab aimed at achieving superintelligence. If you're wondering what that means, superintelligence is a theoretical concept where AI surpasses human intelligence in every way. Imagine a system that could solve complex problems like climate change or disease faster and better than we can, but it also raises big questions about control and ethics. Reports suggest Meta is offering jaw-dropping compensation packages, ranging from 7 to 9 figures, to entice employees away from competitors. This kind of financial firepower isn't unique to Meta. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, mentioned on his brother's podcast that some of his staff have been tempted with $100 million bonuses to switch sides. He noted that, so far, his team has stayed put, but it's clear this aggressive tactic is stirring the pot. On one hand, it could accelerate breakthroughs by putting talent in the best positions. On the other, it might lead to instability or even resentment in the industry. So, what do you make of all this? Is luring away key players with enormous paychecks a smart strategy that fuels progress, or does it create a toxic environment where loyalty takes a backseat? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you agree with these moves, or do you see potential downsides that could harm the AI community in the long run? Microsoft poaches Google DeepMind AI talent to boost Copilot. In a move that has sent ripples through the tech industry, Microsoft is rapidly expanding its AI capabilities by luring top talent from Google's renowned DeepMind lab. This strategic acquisition of expertise is particularly significant for Microsoft's Copilot project, an AI-powered assistant designed to enhance user experience across various platforms. Imagine the scenario where one of the brightest minds in artificial intelligence, Mustafa Suleyman, formerly a co-founder of DeepMind and now the CEO of Microsoft AI, is leading a team that's continuously evolving Copilot. Just last year, Suleyman made a bold transition from Google to Microsoft, bringing with him a wealth of knowledge and a team of dedicated professionals. His leadership is crucial as Microsoft aims to stay ahead in the competitive landscape of AI technology. But here's where it gets controversial. Microsoft's aggressive recruitment strategy has sparked debates about the ethics of talent poaching. Critics argue that such practices can destabilize existing companies and disrupt long-term collaborations. However, supporters view it as a healthy exchange that drives innovation and pushes the boundaries of what's possible in AI development. Amar Subramanya, who spent 16 years at Google, most recently as a vice president of engineering behind the Gemini assistant, has recently joined Microsoft AI as a corporate vice president. His extensive experience in developing advanced AI systems will undoubtedly contribute to the enhancement of Copilot and other Microsoft AI initiatives. In June, Adam Sadowski, a distinguished software engineer and senior director at DeepMind with nearly 18 years of experience at Google, also made the move to Microsoft. His new role as a corporate vice president positions him to play a pivotal role in shaping the future direction of Microsoft's AI efforts. Earlier this month, Sonal Gupta, a Google DeepMind engineering lead, announced on her LinkedIn profile that she had joined Mustafa Suleyman's Microsoft AI team as a member of technical staff. Jonas Rothfuss, who previously worked as a research scientist at Google DeepMind, took a technical staff role at Microsoft AI in May. This trend of high-profile AI talent switching allegiances reflects a broader pattern in the tech industry, where companies are increasingly investing heavily in AI research and development. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently revealed that Meta offered his startup's employees $100 million in signing bonuses to lure them away. Meta has successfully recruited key figures such as Scale AI CEO Alexander Wang and former GitHub CEO Nat Friedman. Google itself has made a substantial investment in AI talent by acquiring the CEO and other employees of AI coding startup Windsurf for $2.4 billion. These acquisitions underscore the intense competition among tech giants for top AI expertise. Microsoft's new hires are being integrated into the AI group led by Mustafa Suleyman, who reports directly to Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Suleyman's background in DeepMind gives him a unique perspective on both the strengths and challenges of AI research and development. Interestingly, another DeepMind co-founder, Demis Hassabis, currently heads the Google DeepMind lab. This dual leadership structure highlights the ongoing rivalry between Microsoft and Google in the AI sector. It's worth noting that despite these ambitious expansions, Microsoft recently announced plans to lay off approximately 9,000 employees, representing less than 4% of its global workforce. This strategic downsizing is likely aimed at streamlining operations and focusing resources on high-priority initiatives like AI development. As the battle for AI supremacy continues, the movement of talent between major tech companies will likely remain a topic of intense interest. Will these hires give Microsoft the edge it needs to outpace competitors like Google? Or will they fuel further competition and drive innovation even faster? Your thoughts on this matter would be valuable. How do you see the impact of these talent moves on the future of AI technology? Share your insights in the comments below.